Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Located in the upscale gated community of Ocean Ridge, St. Mary. Is this unassuming property that looks like a bungalow from the road level? It boasts 5 bedrooms and 5.5 bathrooms, along with a 2-bedroom self-contained flat. The floor space is 6,000 square feet and the house sits on 0.55 acres of land. This property has a koi pond under the entrance walkway, a 2-car garage, open concept plan with a very large kitchen, living, dining room, and a expansive veranda spanning the entire width of the building, capturing the panoramic sea and coastline view. The lower level has 3 bedrooms with ensuite bathrooms and another veranda, which is the same footprint of the main floor. The basement level has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and opens onto a large terrace with a plunge pool. This house is just 10 minutes away from Ocho Rios. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The new asking price for this house is US 850,000 or Jamaican $132.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.